Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a next recording we have on the topic of coordinate geometry, and we have done already. I've just revised quickly. You can understand. First, we revise gradient concept: y2 minus y1 x1 exponent. So simple gradient formula. Then we done the equation of line formula: y is mx plus c. Alhamdulillah. M stand for gradient and c stand for y-intercept. So I think very clear. So C is called where a line is cutting y-axis. So very clear. For example, line number 2, C3 is called C value. So C value is 3 because this is C value. And line number 1, C value is what? 2. Where line cut the y-axis. Clear. Then we done one example, equation of line. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. I put a coordinates here. X2, Y2, X1, Y1. I label myself. Okay. Label is not compulsory. We label good for you. Then I found the gradient 1/4. After that, I plug in 1/4 in the place of M, and I plug in any one point. I can use 1/4 in the place of X5, or I use 5/5. No issue at all. I plug in 4 in the place of Y and 1 in the place of X, and I got equation of line. Okay, this is C value. It will go back. M value will come in the place of M, and C value go in the place of C. Why I'm revising this specially? Because today we will do equation of line once again. So get ready for it. Okay, then I taught you midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is very clear, like average. X1 plus X2 divided by 2. You know it very well. And same Y1 plus Y divided by 2. So distance formula is Y2 minus Y1 whole square and X2 minus X1 whole square, and take root of that. Easy. And then I taught yesterday intercepts. When a line cut the x-axis and y-axis, you know it very well. When cut the x-axis here y0, and where cut the y-axis here x0, like opposite variable equals to 0, right? So then we discuss very important concept, that is a parallel line concept. When three lines are parallel to each other, they are parallel. They have same gradient, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, or 3, 3, whatever gradient. They are same. And for example, one line is 5/7, other is also 5/7. If they are parallel, otherwise they are not equal, right? So then I discuss with you the most important concept, perpendicular lines. When two lines are perpendicular to each other, their gradients product equals to -1. I taught this rule yesterday. One student asked me, sir, how we can prove it they are perpendicular. I said even yesterday, for example, this gradient is a 3/2. What the other? I wrote the word negative reciprocal. Reciprocal means flip. I repeat my word, flip. Flip. Like 3/2 flip becomes 2/3. But here plus sign, and here become opposite, become minus sign. Sign change, flip. Sign change, flip. So for example, this is 1/6 positive. What is the negative? Reciprocal. So plus becomes minus, and 1/6 is become 6/1. You write 6/1 or you don't write 1, no problem at all. Because you know, if you type in calculator 6/1 or you type only 6, so it has same. I hope so got my point. And today, this I give an example only. Now, today, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, what I'm going to discuss. This is a very good example to understand. Example, okay? Get ready, please. For example, this line is these two lines are parallel to each other. Okay, boys. So let's see, students, what is the technique. This line has a point 2,4, or make it 12,4. Suppose 12,4. And line number 1 and line number 2. Line 1 is unknown, and line 2 is given by him. I repeat my words, given by him. So where is given, sir? I write for you. Equation of line 2 given by him is 2y plus 4x equals to 12. Okay, and if I ask you, I'm writing a question here. Find equation of line L1. So solution start from here. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's start. These kind of questions are favorite for exam papers. Favorite. Okay, parallel line concept and perpendicular line concept. So let's start now. So first of all, how will do parallel concept? First of all, my question, if you have line is given, you know, just like go up. This last concept, yesterday I discussed with you. Find gradient and y-intercept from the given line. Very important concept. Oftenly come in AS level mathematics and O level mathematics. This kind of question come for 2 marks or 3 marks. Okay, 2 marks mostly. He can ask you equation of line is given and what is asking for M and what is asking C. What does M stand for? Gradient. M stand for gradient. Gradient. And what C stand for? Y-intercept. So let's see how we can tackle that issue. First of all, we will make subject. What subject? Y subject. All of you are familiar. Must Y subject, not X subject. Why? How make it Y subject, sir? You can ask me. Copy 3y as it is. Copy 3y as it is. Bring this 2x on the right hand side. It will become here positive. Here becomes negative 2x. Now I don't need any number before y. So whatever number before y, positive or negative, whatever, you have divide. And look at here. I divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. These 3 cancel out. This is 2 by 3 and this 3 by 4. So this number beside of x is called gradient. So Mabruk, gradient is equals to minus 2 by 3. And y-intercept is this 4. Same way I will find the y subject. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. 2y plus 4x equals to 12. Job number 1. 2y, make it alone. 4x will go on the other side. Sign will change. No rocket science. Alhamdulillah, easy. Divide whole equation by 2. You ask me, sir, why 2, sir? Logic is very clear. I want to cancel this 2. So divided by 2, I show you. I show the connection. Inshallah, I believe you'll understand. 2y minus 4x plus 12. Divided by 2 here. Divide by 2 here, divide by 2 here, and divide by 2 here. And then this 2 will cancel out like this. I will get y alone. This is cancel out. 2 2s are 4 minus 2x. 2 1s are 2, 6 are 12, 6. Mabruk, alhamdulillah, rabbil alameen. From here, I can say this is called gradient. So what is the gradient, students? So gradient is coming from here is actually equal to negative 2. No need to write so long word. Okay, simple write m is equals to minus 2. I hope so clear. Because these 2 lines are parallel given by him. Parallel. And I said just now, when 2 lines are parallel, they have one thing common. And what is that? Gradient. So it means the gradient of the minus 2. It means this line M1, line M2 is negative 2. What is this one? Also negative 2. So alhamdulillah rabbil alameen, as lines are parallel, so other line gradient is also same. So I'm writing those, so gradient same. So gradient same. Very, very clear. Now I use the unknown line. My question, unknown line, what is the point? 12 4, sir. And what is the gradient? You can say, sir, minus 2. So I will use the point. What is the point, students? 12 4. Use 12 comma 4 and use m equals to minus 2. This m to minus 2 actually technically means what they have. So this gradient is coming here negative 2 and this gradient also negative 2. Logic is very clear because they are parallel. If they are parallel, they have same gradient. I'm going to finish my question. How to finish the question, students? You know it very well. Y is equal to mx plus c. In the place of y, you will put 4. In the place of x, you will put 12. In the place of m, you will put minus 2. Mabruk, alhamdulillah, rabbil alameen. X and y. So I'm putting 4 here. M is minus 2. X is 12. Okay, 4 equals to minus 24. Minus 24 goes this side. And I get 4 plus 24 equal to C. C become 28. But don't stop it here, students. No. What is the equation of line then? Equation of line, which I'm going to write for you, is here. Y equal to mx plus c. What is m? Minus 2. What is c? 28. Mabruk, alhamdulillah, rabbil alameen. My answer is over. So please give a one favor. What is that favor? I'm going to give one question similar like that, and you will try for me. Okay, this equation of line given here. So this almost similar I'm giving. This is given by him is 2 3. Okay, and this is okay, not 2 3. Make it here 6 1. Okay, and this line is line L1, line L2. Line L2 is question mark. Line 1 is given, and where line 1 given? So here, find equation of line L2 if line 1 equation I'm giving is, let's say I make a change, 3x plus 4y equals to 12. So your time starts now. All of you solve this question, then I will give it. Inshallah, I'll solve myself. Go ahead. So let's start, student. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. How we can do this question? First of all, concentrate carefully. Uh, he given us here, you know, I said you first of all find gradient. What to find gradient? First make y subject. 4y alone, 3x will go there. Okay, divide by 4. When divide by 4, look, I'm showing you. Look, I'm showing you. Okay, look, I'm showing you. So it means that oh, wait a minute. Divide by 4 here, divide by 4 here, divide by 4 here. So this is 4 cancel out. I got y equals to minus 3 upon 4 times to x and plus 3. So what is called gradient here? This number is called gradient. Now, as lines are parallel, I'm writing sentence here. This sentence is not compulsory. As lines are parallel. So, same gradient. So, same gradient. Now, student, what to do? It means I will use what? I will use what? I'll use same gradient minus 3 over 4. Okay, and use 6, 1. Reason, because they have same gradient. So, this gradient is what? Minus 3 upon 4. What is gradient, students? Minus 3 over 4. So I will use this same gradient and this point 6, 1. 6, 1. And what is formula? Y equal to mx plus c. Every time use this formula. Okay, for your knowledge, this is x and this is a y. So I'm using it. Y is go here, m value is 6. Sorry, m value is minus 3 by 4. And x value is 6. And now what is coming here? 2 2s are and 2 3s are. Ultimately, I got what? 1 is equals to, I'm writing it now here, 1 is equal to minus 9 over 2. This goes there. So 1 plus 9 over 2. Okay. 2 9, so 11 by 2. So what is final answer? So final answer is y equal to mx plus c. M value is this and c value is this. Simple plug in and get answer. So minus 3 over 4 times to x and plus 11 over 2. And I hope so. The point is very, very clear. And now we'll go for perpendicular. So let's start another example. I'm going to share with you another example. But this time I will teach you perpendicular concept. Look, student, this is a line and this second line, and they are 90-degree between. Okay. This line is equation given line L1, line L2. Line L2 has a point, for example, let's take a 12,3, and this line L1 given by it. So find equation of line L2. Okay, and what is given? And line of L2, line L1, sorry, is here. I'm writing 2y plus 3x equals to 16. So let's start. Solution start from here. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I hope so. The concept is very clear. I repeat, I put a question mark. Look, students, L2 is a question mark and L1 is given. I repeat my words. L1 is given by him and L2 is unknown. When any line unknown, we need two things. What? Gradient and a point. Gradient and point. Okay? If I can have a gradient point, question over. We have a point, but what is missing? Gradient is missing. So let's try to find gradient. How to find gradient, students? So first I will start from here. Job number 1, make y subject. Make y subject. 3x will go on the other end. Then divide by 2 whole equation. So can I show you? Divide by 2. So 2, first of all, 2y equal to minus 3x plus 16. I'm doing what? Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. The student is 2 cancel. I got a y and minus 3 over 2 times 2x and plus 8. So my question, what is a gradient? A number written beside of x is always gradient. So alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Now we say that I'm writing statement as lines are perpendicular. So you can say that if the lines are perpendicular, it means there's a 90 degree in the middle. So if this line is given by him is -3 by 2. So this line turned to be sign negative become positive and flip. 3 by 2 become 2 by 3. So alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. That what is grade, students? I can use. So grade is becoming plus 2 by 3. I repeat my words. Negative reciprocal. This minus become plus and 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3. Opposite. Flip. So nothing clear. So I will use this gradient now. I will use m equal to 2 by 3 and I will use this point, 12, 3. So 12 comma 3. Okay, so formula y equal to mx plus c. Okay, this 3 will come in the place of y, 12 goes in place of x, and this will go in the place of m. So I'm plugging 3, m value 2 by 3, x value 12, this one. So 3 4s are 12, and 3 is equals to 8 plus c. 8 goes there. 3 minus 8 equal to c. c becomes minus 5. Then what is equation of line finally? Equation of line finally. So all of you know formula y equal to mx plus c. What is m value is this? What is c value is this? Sorry, 1 minute please. Yeah, correct. So y is equals to 2 by 3 times to x and minus 5. So alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, I think points clear. Get ready, I'm giving one question and you will solve. And which question solve? These 2 lines given by him and 1 line is given. For example, this point is given. I give a 12 plus 5. Okay, 12 and 5. This line is unknown line, and this line is given line, and given line is here. What is given line, students? So given line equation is let's say 4y plus 3x equals to 12. Job number 1. And what is the job? First of all, find gradient from here, then take negative reciprocal, and then you find out the equation of the line. So your time starts now. First do yourself, then I'll do this question myself. Yes, student, I think you took a reasonable time starting now. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. All of you get ready. So first of all, I'm starting here. Job number 1. Job number 1, whenever equation line given, job 1, you need m, gradient. Or you get gradient, and we have done it. Make y subject. Make y subject. Divide by 4. Divide by 4 here. Divide by 4 here. And divide by 4 here. So I got a y equals to minus 3 upon 4x and plus 3. And what this number is called, student, is called gradient. So alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, clear. But as lines are perpendicular, as lines are perpendicular, this is a shortcut writing of perpendicular. You know, students, all right, a T shape and AR. This shortcut notation for perpendicular. Not that full word perpendicular, shortcut notation. So I wrote a shortcut notation. Look at it. Look at it. This is called perpendicular. As lines are perpendiculars, and so what does gradient become? So gradient become like that. So M becomes, change the sign and flip. Change that sign and flip. So this will become minus become plus, and this become 4 by 3. So alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Now I will use this line, this gradient, and I will use this point. Because every time we need a C, we need 2 things, M and point. So I will use a point 12, 5. And what is the formula, students? Y equal to mx plus c. In the place of m, plug in 5. In the place of m, plug in 4 by 3. In the place of x, plug in 2, 12, sorry. So this is 3 cancel, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. And you know 4 4 are 16. So 5 equal to 16 plus c. 16 goes there. 5 minus 16. and C become what? Minus 11. Game is not over. Answer is here. Equation of perpendicular line is y equal to mx plus c. M value is this. So I'm writing y equal to 4 upon 3 times to x. And c value is minus 11. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I believe the point is very, very clear. And now please note down, I'm giving 2 questions homework. So those students are watch recording now. I'm giving 2 question homework. One homework question is very ideal, which is available on even my YouTube channel, and which we can take as a homework. Okay, and you can watch if you're getting issues. Okay, 1 minute, please. 1 minute, 1 minute. Note down the question numbers. Here, 2 questions available in my worksheet, which are available on YouTube channel. Okay, so one question is available is June 17, 41, question number 7. It means in worksheet question number 14 is available in YouTube channel. This full question 14 is your homework number 1. And number 2, let me check. June 17, 22. I think this is also available. Let me confirm. Let me confirm. June 17, 22. June 17 is done. Okay. All right. And let me check. October 17 is there. October 17. October 17. And 40. This is hard actually. The hard. Okay, I give you easy one today because I know you need a this 15 leave it because maybe still not able to solve. Okay. Let me check 16 available or not. This one is October 16. October 16 is available. No, it's not available. So one homework is number 14. Let me check one more for you. At least 2 questions you have tried. Okay, wait a minute. Let me find out. Let me find out. Don't worry, and let me find out. This question, October 17, 43 available, but is very complicated. Okay. Okay, do one thing. Take as a challenge. Okay, take as a challenge, and this question you have to watch and practice because this is not an easy job. This is not easy job. So this question you have to try as well. The 2 questions I'm giving homework, and question number 12 in the worksheet, number 12 and number 14. So 2 questions you have to try as a homework. I will share, and both questions available on my YouTube channel, and you can search from the year number. So assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.